Hello, guys. Just before we start off, some of you have suggested to ask me to give a course. I don't have a time to give a $50 cheap ICT, SMC, ABC, XYZ course. Okay. I don't have the time or the patience to do that for just $50. I know I may bring 1,000 subscriber for this, but and it will be very good. Yet I don't have time for that. So instead, I suggest to offer you a day trading course. In my days, it used to be called scalping. So a scalping or day trading strategy. What I'm doing is that I'm turning on the computer every day, in a specific hour, give an order, whether if it's long or short. I know exactly where to place the take profit. I know exactly where to place the stop loss, and it's very easy and simple to the level that made me feel like it's passive income. That's why I called it the pension strategy. It's very easy, very simple. I have been doing this for 15 years, and this general strategy is offering me like a pension or a salary every month on my tradings without having to go through the hustle of the long-term trades or the deeper fund analysis or the big turns in the geopolitics or stuff like that. So if you are interested in this genius strategy, the passive income, you have to pay a very, very cheap price. Very cheap price. Okay, in comparison to the value of this strategy. If you are interested, and by the way, this amount is going to be for the first subscriber only. Once I have the first subscriber, I'm going to increase the price. If you are interested, email me on this email. There's some I'm missing letter here. Okay, so um, okay, this email is because the YouTube currently has an ongoing problem with the comments and likes and views. They are removing some of the comments. I'm going to leave it dropped in the first comment, but sometimes the YouTube for some reason remove the comments and the likes. So I'm going to leave it in the comments, and here it is. If you, in case if you didn't find it, and you are interested in this strategy, which I called it the pension strategy, it's very easy and simple strategy that will offer you passive income without the need to go through the hustle. Okay, so what? Let's move to the markets. This is the gold. I have said before that the price has formed a falling channel, and I believe it's going to keep going lower to until it meets the red line here. This is a falling a bearish channel, which means at the end of the day it's going to go up and break it and go very high. But possibly, this is going to take a long period of time. So let's move to the Bitcoin. Okay, as I told you before, this is a symmetric triangle here, and the price, I never remove a drawing I have ever made. These are evidence against me. Okay, so here in the past, I told you this is a rising wedge, and the price is going to be drop at the end in the time when everyone said the price is going to 100,000. No, it's going to the million. No, it's going to the moon, and these crappy nonsense hopings and wishings was I completely rejected and said the price is going to go lower. Here we go, and here the symmetric triangle. As you can see, the price has formed a symmetric triangle. The price mostly, not for sure, is going to go to rebounds to touch that band here, this band here, before it goes lower. If it breaks from here, it's okay. So it's going to, once it breaks this very strong support line here and here and here, all of these, here and here. So this is a very strong support line here. If the price has broken it, definitely it's going to go lower, and expected it may go as low as 45,000. Um, okay, let's check on the Ethereum also. This is the Ethereum. I have shown you this for a very long time ago. The price is testing the lower band of the rising wedge here, and once it have some momentum, it's going to break it to the lower side. Let's have I don't want to make this long video. This is the euro dollar weekly chart. The price has broken, right, it has broken the moving average, but I need some time or more push to the downside to trust that the bearish trend has been formed. Let's look at the daily. Okay, you can see here like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like 7 consecutive red candles, which is too much. I believe the price should rebalance a little bit from here to meet the blue moving average. Okay, the price has to meet the blue moving average in order to retest the support level again before it goes lower and lower. I believe the prices may go as low as 61.8% retracement to the 1.8 between 1.8 and 1.9. From there, we will see what will happen. That's it for today. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe.